The truth will set you free, but first it'll piss you off.
Shout out to them people.
What's pop YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Slayer name for you guys, and today's inspiration is coming from @TinySAllen on Instagram. She had a popping hairdo that my client wanted me to recreate for you guys, so you know I'm gonna try to make it do what it do. And as always, I need you guys to cast your votes in the comment section below and let me know if you guys think this is a slay or if I missed the mark. And y'all don't be being honest, because I get dislikes, but y'all not casting y'all votes when y'all dislike it. So I mean, show your face. If you don't like it, I'm not mad at you at all. Like, it's not fun if people are not being honest with me. So if you guys think I hit this look on the head, then go ahead and leave a west side. And I don't even know if that's a west side emoji. Like, I just call it west side, so we'll call it that for today. And if you think I missed the mark, then go ahead and leave a fist emoji, like, girl, you need your ass beat. And yeah, let's make this fun. Be honest, cast your votes, and as always, I will catch you guys in my next video. supposed to be talking anymore, but I just wanted to show you guys that I'm moisturizing my clients' hair with the Certified Bella Beauty Scalp Therapy Oil, and I know a lot of you guys asked how I moisturize, and I'll get into it in another video, but that is definitely one of my favorite moisturizers, and depending on what style I'm doing, I'll either use it before or after. I also use it like whenever I'm you know, doing any wigs or weaving type styles. So yeah, like I said, I'll get into that in another video, but I just wanted to let you guys know, just because I don't know if I've explained it in any of my other videos before. But yeah, I hope you guys like this look. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to cast your vote down below, and I will catch you guys in my next video.